Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to open a minor 18 years old Lloyds account. But first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. Lloyds Bank offers a specific account for individuals under the age of 18 called the Under 19s account. To open an under 18 bank account with Lloyds, you'll typically need to follow these steps. Check eligibility for under 19s account. Gather necessary document including ID and proof of address. Visit a Lloyds branch in person. Speak with a bank representative to get the application form. Complete the form providing personal and parental guardian details. Present identification documents. If required, obtain parental or guardian consent. Wait for the bank to review and approve your application. Once approved, receive your account details. Procedure may vary, so check with Lloyds or their website for the latest information. And there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.